Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the primary purpose of a risk assessment in business? Is it A, identify potential hazards, B, increase profits, or C, improve marketing? It is A, identify potential hazards. What African ethnic group is known for their warrior culture and language? Is it A, Maasai, B, Yoruba, or C, Zulu? It is C, Zulu. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Is it A, Jupiter, B, Saturn, or C, Earth? It is A, Jupiter. What large lake in Finland is known for its clean water and abundant wildlife? Is it A, Lake Superior, B, Lake Geneva, or C, Saimaa? It is C, Saimaa. What was the primary purpose of the Colosseum in ancient Rome? Is it A, public speeches, B, gladiatorial games, or C, religious ceremonies? It is B, gladiatorial games. What genre is Jorge Luis Borges primarily known for writing? Is it A, novels, B, short stories, or C, poetry? It is B, short stories. What does the term timbre refer to in music? Is it A, sound quality, B, music notation, or C, song lyrics? It is A, sound quality. What is earned after completing a master's program? Is it A, diploma, B, bachelor's, or C, doctorate? It is C, doctorate. What type of luxury clothing is Brioni primarily known for? Is it A, shoes, B, suits, or C, accessories? It is B, suits. What is the name of the extravagant mansion where Jay Gatsby hosted his famous parties? Is it A, East Egg, B, West Egg, or C, the Valley of Ashes? It is B, West Egg. Which musical style is Claude Debussy famously associated with? Is it A, Romanticism, B, Impressionism, or C, Baroque? It is B, Impressionism. Which river is the longest in Asia and flows through China? Is it A, Amazon, B, Nile, or C, Yangtze? It is C, Yangtze. Which prominent college football team is associated with the University of Michigan? Is it A, Michigan Spartans, B, Michigan Wolverines, or C, Michigan Wildcats? It is B, Michigan Wolverines. What is the primary theme of the song Truth Hurts by Lizzo? Is it A, friendship, B, heartbreak, or C, empowerment? It is C, empowerment. What significant work did Maimonides author that discusses Jewish law and philosophy? Is it A, Torah scroll, B, Talmud Bavli, or C, Mishneh Torah? It is C, Mishneh Torah. Which large herbivorous animal has thick skin and two horns on its snout? Is it A, elephant, B, rhino, or C, hippo? It is B, rhino. What is the primary use of the Java programming language? Is it A, software development, B, graphic design, or C, video editing? It is A, software development. Which Chinese dynasty ruled from 1644 to 1912? Is it A, Ming Dynasty, B, Han Dynasty, or C, Qing Dynasty? It is C, Qing Dynasty. Which company did Larry Page co-found that is known for its search engine? Is it A, Microsoft, B, Google, or C, Apple? It is B, Google. What is the primary purpose of mycelium formation in fungi? Is it A, photosynthesis, B, nutrient absorption, or C, seed dispersal? It is B, nutrient absorption. What type of instrument is a cymbalome? Is it A, string instrument, B, percussion instrument, or C, woodwind instrument? It is B, percussion instrument. What type of dish is carbonade, known for its slow-cooked beef and beer sauce? Is it A, stew, B, salad, or C, soup? It is A, stew. What is the central text of Judaism that contains the laws and teachings of the religion? Is it A, Quran, B, Torah, or C, Bible? It is B, Torah. Which is the largest desert in the Arabian Peninsula? Is it A, Arabian Desert, B, Sahara Desert, or C, Gobi Desert? It is A, Arabian Desert. What is the primary focus of reaction kinetics in chemistry? Is it A, chemical bonding, B, equilibrium states, or C, rate of reactions? It is C, rate of reactions. Who co-founded Uber and served as its CEO? Is it A, Elon Musk, B, Travis Kalanick, or C, Jeff Bezos? It is B, Travis Kalanick. What was the name of the aircraft that the Wright brothers flew during their first successful flight in 1903? Is it A, Apollo 11, B, Spirit of St. Louis, or C, Flyer 1? It is C, Flyer I. What does ROI primarily measure in a business context? Is it A, employee satisfaction, B, market share, or C, profitability? It is C, profitability. What type of acorn does an oak tree produce? Is it A, pine cone, B, oak acorn, or C, walnut? It is B, oak acorn. What type of star is formed after the collapse of a massive star in a supernova? Is it A, white dwarf, B, red giant, or C, neutron star? It is C, neutron star. What is the primary benefit of dehydration resistance in plants? Is it A, increased photosynthesis, B, surviving dry conditions, or C, enhanced growth rate? It is B, surviving dry conditions. Which movie features the iconic line, "Here's looking at you, kid"? Is it A, The Godfather, B, Gone with the Wind, or C, Casablanca? It is C, Casablanca. What practice involves the act of consuming human flesh? Is it A, cannibalism, B, carnivory, or C, herbivory? It is A, cannibalism. What is the primary application of nanomedicine in healthcare? Is it A, diagnostic imaging, B, drug delivery, or C, surgical robots? It is B, drug delivery. Which prestigious program is King's College London known for in the field of healthcare? Is it A, physics, B, nursing, or C, literature? It is B, nursing. In what musical context is recitative primarily used? Is it A, opera, B, jazz, or C, pop? It is A, opera. What type of bond involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms? Is it A, ionic bond, B, covalent bond, or C, metallic bond? It is B, covalent bond. What is the primary ingredient in roasted garlic mayo that provides its distinct flavor? Is it A, mustard, B, garlic, or C, lemon? It is B, garlic. What process involves the chemical reaction that connects monomers to form polymers? Is it A, polymerization, B, decomposition, or C, condensation? It is A, polymerization. Who played the role of Heimdall in the Thor films? Is it A, Idris Elba, B, Chris Hemsworth, or C, Anthony Hopkins? It is A, Idris Elba. What term describes the living components of an ecosystem that affect organisms? Is it A, biotic factors, B, abiotic factors, or C, climate change? It is A, biotic factors. Which company did Susan Wojcicki lead as CEO from 2014 to 2023? Is it A, Facebook, B, YouTube, or C, Twitter? It is B, YouTube. Which championship has Marc Marquez won multiple titles in? Is it A, Formula One, B, MotoGP, or C, NASCAR? It is B, MotoGP. What is the phenomenon of superfluidity primarily associated with? Is it A, mercury, B, water, or C, helium-4? It is C, helium-4. What is the main focus of the organization 350.org? Is it A, climate change, B, wildlife conservation, or C, ocean cleanup? It is A, climate change. What is titanium's atomic symbol? Is it A, Ti, B, Tem, or C, Ta? It is AT. What is the name of the most famous piece composed by Ludwig van Beethoven that is often played on the piano? Is it A, Moonlight Sonata, B, Fur Elise, or C, Clair de Lune? It is A, Moonlight Sonata. What is the primary habitat of crocodiles? Is it A, freshwater swamps, B, desert dunes, or C, Arctic tundra? It is A, freshwater swamps. What process describes how DNA is used to create proteins in a cell? Is it A, cellular respiration, B, DNA replication, or C, gene expression? It is C, gene expression. What type of condiment is satsabeli commonly used in Georgian cuisine? Is it A, cheese, B, bread, or C, sauce? It is C, sauce. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.